Circuit for motor forward/reverse operation. Live wire L connected in series with the normally closed contact of the thermal relay. Other end of thermal relay connected in series with the normally closed contact of the stop button. Normally closed contact of stop button connected to normally open contact of start button SB1. Other end of start button connected in series with normally closed contact NC2 of AC contactor number 2. This is key to achieving the first interlocking step. Other end of NC2 connected in series with contactor coil KM1. The other end of KM1 connects to the neutral line N. Next is the reverse secondary circuit. The lower end of the stop button's normally closed contact is connected in series with the normally open contact of the start button SB2. The other end of SB2 is connected in series with the normally closed contact NC1 of contactor number 1. The other end of NC1 is connected in series with the other end of the KM2 coil, which is then connected in series to the neutral line. The final step, NO1 is connected in parallel with SB1. NO2 is connected in parallel with SB2. Three-phase power supply connects to the input terminals of the circuit breaker. The output terminals of the circuit breaker connect to the input terminals of two contactors. The output terminal of contactor 1 connects to the input terminal of the thermal relay. The output terminal of the thermal relay connects to the motor. The output terminal of contactor 2 connects to the motor.